me now. Got me figured out, please. So bestie más que mi poder. Now just watch and see. Every limit that you set, solo me hace crecer. Breaking through the walls, ya no marcha atrás, yeah. Slow it down, still I'm burning. Feel the heat inside me turning. 3, 2, 1. Esta noche exploto, watch me blow. Oh. Can't control me now, watch me show. Dale. Ya no hay vuelta atrás. This is who I am. Exploto, exploto. Watch me blow up, bang. Whoa.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. One day I won't be muted on the open. Bama, good morning. Butters, good morning. Can't hear you. Good morning. Omnius, good morning. JC Trader, good morning. Okay, new day, new week, new opportunities. But as I said, keep your losses small. I'll tell you every morning. I'll remind you. That's how you recover, and that's how you maintain growth. Don't let the markets take money from you. Let's just take a quick look at the economic news. For Monday, we just got the Fed Paulson speech at 12:55. Not really relevant. Tuesday's a little bit busier. A bunch of speeches again. Thursday's a crazy day, actually. But you know what? With the government shutdown, I have no idea really what's going on. Let me move this over here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Can we do that? Yeah, we can. 4-hour chart. Why is it over there? Let me move it over a little bit. Am I not full screen? That's the problem. I'm not full screen. 4-hour chart. Oof, we just like smashed through a whole bunch of levels, eh? And a lot of those levels we bounced off of, but we did kind of find stability at the 24,200 level, although we're not trading anywhere near that right now. I think we're getting like a 2% gap up. I think that's like 600 points. Would that make sense? Yeah, that would make sense. Almost 3%. No, it's almost 2%. 1% is 250, 500. Yeah. Anyways, it's a huge gap. So gap fill isn't on the table. I don't think people are trading for the gap fill, to be honest with you. 4 hour, what else we got? You know what? I just want to see on the 4 hour, we completely broke the slope. I'm going to go back to the, that's funny. I'm going to go back to the 4 hour chart. I'm not sure how to put in a, oh yeah, I think I do. I think I know how to put in a trend line over here. Trend angle, info line, ray, trend line. There we go. Just keep that in mind. When you break a trend line with that much thrust, there's one trade that I usually look for, and that's the return to the trend line, then the continuation back down, continuation in the direction of the break. What? We got this to 50, but on the daily, we just traded down to the 50 moving average, 50 EMA. Nothing spectacular. Okay, let's get back to the 4 charts. How much time we got? 9 minutes. Let's see if I can develop a bias over here. Not that I really trade the bias too much. We're way above previous close. Way above previous day's low, Friday's low. We're way under Friday's high. Pretty much 600 points away from both of those and from the close, so those are irrelevant today. We're trading above VWAP. I think what I'm going to focus on is mainly the 1 minute chart. Let's get deal me in going. Yeah, I'm going to focus on the 1 minute chart, and we're above VWAP, we're above the bands. So I think I'm going to be focusing on long trades off the open if it still holds. But be careful today. The volatility was crazy high on Friday. I think we went as high as 60 on the ATR, maybe even a little bit higher than that, maybe even as much as 70. We're currently just under 20, and I'm expecting that to pick up as once the market's open, probably head up to 30. What I'm thinking is if the volatility gets too high, I will increase the size of my Renkos. Do you guys have those up? Are we on the 4 charts or are we on the 1 chart? We're on the single chart, the 1 minute chart. Okay, we'll keep up here with the 1 minute chart. Got the 400 volume. 400 volume is showing mild bearishness right now. Do I want to trade MYM? Wow, it gave a couple of really good signals. Maybe later. We'll see. Let's get the copy trader set up. Okay, well, as I said, the shitty thing about the copy trader with Project X, the only shitty thing with the copy trader with Project X is the fact that it doesn't allow for ratio trading. So we have to trade the exact same size for every account, but it is what it is. We'll deal with what we have. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Skeletor, good morning, Skeletor. Omnius draws 18, dealer draws 94. Dealer's hot today. How aggressive do I want to be on the open? I'm cold. I need a sweater. I'm thinking today can be a good day, guys. There can be a lot of opportunity today. Might be a day that you want to take advantage. I'm up already 519 on a Top Step account. It's rigged. Yeah, it is rigged. Are you still vacationing down in Florida, Omnius? Let me set it to live chat. Yes, cool. Enjoy the heat. I forgot. Oh, will the markets dump again? Yep, it's Monday. It's October. I don't know how many people pay attention, but there's a lot of crashes that happened on Mondays on Octobers that followed a dump on a Friday. So I'm kind of watching out and being careful for that 926. Wish I was trading. Yeah, well, you know what? It could be a great day, but it could also be a dangerous day. I'm going to lower my size in the beginning. 34 contracts to start. Not going to start with anything big. We'll move up to 50. Maybe if we see that... man, oh. 2 lots, 3 lots. Let's just make sure we're locked in. I think I'm at... yeah, I'll start with a 2 lot. I still don't know how to use this software. I'm kind of thinking we might not see the dump today, but it's going to happen. Yeah, who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? It's just something to keep in the back of the mind that it's a possibility. I think that's really it. Let the market tell us what it's going to do. Let's put up the 5 charts for now. That's 5 charts. The 4 charts, we can watch the 5-minute charts as well on the left side. That's ES on the bottom on the left and Q on the top, 5-minute. Let's make them the same thing, 2 minutes to open. Right now, NQ looks relatively stronger, I would say. It's kind of above VWAP or on VWAP. Yeah, I remember I got to do this if I want my VWAPs to match. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, they're not matching. You know why? That's so stupid. That really is. Anyways, I'll tell you why they're not matching. Because it's anchored VWAP and one of them is starting. I miss having news. Yeah, I know. You should see what Thursday looks like if there is going to be news. 1 minute and 10 seconds. We are headed lower. Oh, what to do, what to do. Yeah, I can't work on VWAP too much on Project X because it's a anchored VWAP and it's starting from a different point on the 5-minute and on the 1 minute, so they don't even match. 30 seconds. Shit, I have a short, but we're not at a level right here that I want to short at. We could go down to 07 though, eh? You know what? No, I was going to do it in Apex. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Let's watch what we get. Order filled, sold a 2 lot. I got a cover. If it doesn't come back down. That was a big wick. Okay, we got a trade at 22, which is the first trade. Targeting 15. Let's go. Come on. Let's get under 15. What do I got left? 12, 13. Okay, well, I'm lucky to have survived that first trade. This is tame. I was expecting crazy volume, so that was crazy. Where do I see my... wasn't there a place that I saw my accounts and all that? I don't even know where that is anymore. That's terrible. Nice that I got out right over there. Where do I go to see my balances? Is it down here? Did I have something? I remember I was displaying them last week. I know they're here somewhere. Maybe it looks tame because I'm zoomed out. 2-minute opening range. We are heading higher, but I'm not going to take this. I'm going to look to take a short again. If we get a short at 36, hold on, 22. Getting there. But 22 on the offer has to hold. And then I'm going to join the ask and try to get a better price. Close, but no cigar. Oof, it's pretty jumpy, eh? Looks, which means I should get a much better price. There's the 22. Let's get a better price. I'm short at, I don't even know. Join bid for one. Join bid for another. Not great. Not great trading, but I don't know where my balances are. Come on, somebody help me. Where do I find my balances in Project X? No, it's not that. Wow, I can't believe it. Ah, here you go. All the way here. Counts. Look at that. Perfect. 1558, 1554, 1558s. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So positions, obviously nothing. Order. Let's get back onto the order screen. 87. Join the ask. 87, 1, 2, 3, around 94. 84. Oof. Yeah, that was my opportunity. 86, 87, 88. I'll try here in the 90s just for a one lot. 90, get down to 80. 89. No, we're going to... Oops. I'm going to lose money on this, and you know why? Get out. That was a happy click. That was a sensitive mouse click that cost me money. Shit. Shit. We are going down. How are we doing on the accounts? Are they all at the same number? They're all at the same number. Eventually, I will have ultimate confidence, but for now, I'll still check. I'm still, what's the word? I'm still traumatized. I'm still traumatized from the Apex copier. What did we do since the open? How much should we come down? 820. Only 60, 80 points. Well, we're going down aggressively now again, though, eh? Let me take a 2-lot and see if I can do something with this. There we go. Give me a little bit of safety. We'll see what it does. Actually, keep my... Don't I have a close? Yeah, there we go. It's close position. 31.45 is where I close position. And we were almost there. Ah, shit, we're there again. Hey, you're making my life difficult today. Hey, you didn't dump there. I tried to see if we were going to get a lot of continuation. Well, we're getting another entry. It's going to be an active morning. Are we holding here at 20? 45. Don't want to take a chance at 38. To the long. Would have had 10 points. Let's try it once. 42, 43. What am I long at? 41. Okay. Took a little bit out, not a lot. We got NQ leading ES again today, yeah? See, look at the stupid 5-minute chart, what it does. And I have it on auto scale. That's the crazy thing. There we go. Yeah. You are right, Butters. You are right. It's funny, ES, NQ was looking stronger when I was doing my pre-market analysis, but now it is quite a bit weaker. We broke the lows from 7 a.m., swept them, wicked them, whatever you want to call it. ES didn't even do anything near that. What's the Dow doing? Do I have a chart on the Dow? Let's take a quick look on the Dow. Oh, Dow just gave a nice long signal. Let me try it. What? That was a long time to fill. Okay. Ooh, that was pretty psychotic this morning. I think you got to have limit orders if you want to get filled. It's pretty erratic. Got a short at 52, targeting 45. Sorry, late on that. I didn't get anywhere near to have the ability to enter it. Yeah, 45 is holding. Well, it's supposed to be 1 second. That was more than 1 second. 45 is holding. Wow, nice dump on the Dow. Too bad I didn't get to take too much advantage of that. Coffee is good. Let's try again if I get an opportunity here. Okay, that's a good trade. Go to VWAP. Come on, go a little bit lower. No, run away from me. Okay. Wow, I almost had to double check that that's the Dow that I'm trading. Omnius, deal me in. We're heading lower again on NQ, eh? It's rigged. Yes, it is. Come on, give a bounce off view up. Mr. Dow, give a push. Give a push. NQ's going up a little bit. There we go. Okay. Ooh, not really making much money though, hey? It's like win, lose, win, lose, win, lose, win, lose. What did you get? Dealer 70, 46. Well, it was close. I think I'll take a little bit of a break. I mean, I'm not going to leave, but good morning, Joker. How you doing this morning? I'm trying to reset. I'm swinging the bat. I'm getting a lot of setups, obviously, because the volatility is high. I haven't adjusted my Renko bar size. And I'm also watching the Dow, which trades very stable. But today it's a little erratic. It's hard to trade. Let's see what I get here. Just took a 3 lot in the Dow. Really? Okay. 945. Wow. It's a good thing I got out. Dow dumped almost back down to its the view up. Let me go look at the 400 volume. 400 volume is bullish. Okay, let's try a trade. Let's try a long trade in and Q if we get an entry. Okay, trading a little scared, a little nervous. There we go. I got only a one lot. Oh shit. Wow, you're moving fast. Where's the close button? Okay, come on. There we go. 15. That means we're targeting 22. Let me put in a... Oh, no. Really? Holy shit. Holy shit. What was that? Do you have ATR Renko on that platform? No. Traditional. 7 points. Let's see if we can get in again. The 400 volume's kind of showing bearish right now. Maybe I'll just do a 2 lot. Because I'm really not doing much better than break even this morning. And I thought with this kind of volatility, I would be doing better. But I would be up already. Thought my day would be over. Yeah, when I used to trade 2 lots, I used to go for 20 bucks when the volatility was low. Maybe I should just do that in the beginning and put a little money in the accounts, try to get it up to $100. Carefully and conservatively. I was kind of hoping for big moves, and every time I'm hanging on for that, it's reversing. Well, I'm really discouraged about VWAP for Project X. Not a fan of anchored VWAP. Let me join the bid again. Oof, I had an insta $33. I think you just got to guess on when you click the button. 62.50. I don't mean you got to guess when you click the button on the entry, but you got to almost guess when you click the button on the exit, the way it's acting right now. Let me see. The volatility is at 33 points. Moving up nicely, moving up strong. I'm curious. Let me make this chart full screen. Can I do that? The 1 minute chart? Nope, that's not what it did. I know there is a way to go full screen here. Move price, reset, lock, object, remove height, settings. Nope, it's not up there. Invert scale, lines, labels, countdown. Nope. Okay, well, I'm not going to waste time trying to figure it out. Oh, shit, had a nice trade at 10. Well, didn't make that many points, but I probably would have gotten out of break even on that. Let's try a 2 lot. Okay, that added a little bit. Maybe I could have held for some more. Actually, what I could have held until this turned white and then gone for another 7 points. There we go, 22. Let me see if I can get a better price than 22, 24, 23, 22, 21, 19. Order filled. Oof, 14. Well, remember that poll I took last week? If a trade goes against you, do you find it hard to hold it? Yes, I find it hard to hold it. I shouldn't have gotten out, but I'm building. I'm at plus 89. Let me just go see my accounts. Plus 89, plus 89, plus 89, plus 89. Perfect. It's working. Still working perfect. Oh, look at that. I can get in again. How can I refuse this one? Ah, could have had it. Shit. I missed it. Okay. Can't catch them all. That one was a nice one. I would have been comfortable in that one too, because it was a good bit of a retrace. I was getting a really good price. What's going on your end, guys, out there? Has anyone switched their bias to bullish? Okay, let me remove this. And let's put in anchored VWAP. Where is anchored VWAP here? On anchored VWAP. Let's put it on the dotted line. That should give us a more accurate view up. 24,800. Yeah, okay, perfect. We're matching now with I chased. Omnius played a donkey. I chased. I got out. Forget it. I chased. No good. I was supposed to get in at 8:49. I think I got in at like 8:53, 8:54. Let it go. Nope. Got to keep my hand on the mouse. Push. Push. I don't like this trade. Hey, come on. Looks like it's where there we go. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. It's really hard for me to get in at my price, eh? What's the spread? Only 50 and a quarter. I guess it's just too erratic. Let's see if the 5-minute can get up to 24,920. We can break this high over here. Even getting above 24,900 would be pretty impressive. Yep, 24,900 even. Let's see if we're able to do that. You know, I'm thinking even for shit, damn. That was another sensitive mouse click. But the good news is it saved me a loss. Okay, so I'm removing the 5-minute VWAP because it's not accurate. I do know now every morning I'm going to have to start by dropping anchored VWAP on the charts manually. That's terrible. I got to drop anchored VWAP on the charts manually. I got to adjust the high, low, and close manually. I don't even know where it is on ES, but I don't need it today. There we go. Let's keep the 5-minute like that up until 3 in the morning. So there we go. Like I said, let's see if we can get over 24,900. Just in time for a trade. Ah! Let me count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holy shit. Okay, I'm going to take a break. It's too much. It's too high adrenaline. My brain's going to get tired. You go back down to 12. What's the ATR right now? Okay, we're coming down to 20. 20 is a good level. I like 20. Maybe it's not hard to get in. Maybe it's I'm just nervous. Maybe I'm thinking the volatility is going to explode. Got a bunch of nice trades on the bottom left chart, bottom right chart. And we're stopping at 880, taking a break. I have a limit buy. I think it's 78. Why did I not get filled? Well, let's cancel it. Make sure we have no positions. Make sure the accounts aren't going. Okay, that was really weird. Well, now I can get a better price. What's going on? Wow, it's not working. How is that possible? Let's try buy market. It's too bad. I was trying to get in at 73. It's at 87 now. Well, I'm going to do an experiment to see why I didn't get filled, but maybe I'll wait. Do you have to reset? Is there a reset on this? Wow, I so know that there is a way to go full screen on one chart. Oh, I think you just collect that and then you go here. There you go. Okay. And if I click here, it's down at the bottom. There we go. I got you. I got you. I got you. So let's take a look at the ATR. Yeah, we're coming down. Might even get under 20. That would be cool. Okay, it's a one lot. Okay, the market order worked. So why didn't the join the bid work before? Whatever it is, what it is. Orders are working now. 10 o'clock. What was the news? Just a speaker. At what time? 12, I think. Yeah, 12:55. Paulson. I'm glad I didn't hold my short to target. It's not looking great anymore. Yeah, we're getting over 24,900 now. But do you trust the market to continue higher? Do you trust it? That's the question. That's the $1 million question. I don't know about you, but I feel like at any moment it's going to go and start tanking. I'm long at 96. I hope it's a one lot. I'll add. You know what? There's a couple of wicks here. To hell with it. To hell with it. To hell with it. To hell with it. I'm thinking we take the overnight highs. Yeah, see, I used to have that too. Let me start setting up my charts a little bit better. Take a break. 1 minute chart. I want to see the pre-market levels. From 6 to 9:30. Let me see what the chart did. Opening range. Slowly build up my charts that I had before. Six. 9:30. Yeah. I have a trade at 85. Let's see if I can join the bid at a price better than 85. 84, 83, 82, 81. I'm filled at 82. Let's move it over. Let's see if we can get up to 92. Sit back. 85. 87. 88. 89. Get out around that level. No kidding, eh? Well, just for reference, I have the pre-market session at 7:33 and we got down to 7:25, so we wicked it by 8 points, and then I have the pre-market session at 8:88 and we're above it right now. So we wicked the low and shot up to the high. Interesting. Now what? Do we reverse back down again? A little bit of seek and destroy action going on here. Alt V. We have to remember Alt V. There used to be A's over here. Alt R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 winners, 1 loser so far. If I was just taking those entries. I have another entry at 900 targeting 912, but it's late already. We can get in a little bit earlier. Late, I mean. Didn't go there yet. 900. The hell was that? Looked like a spider just ran across my screen. Okay, I'm long at what, 95? I'm going to try this one. 24. I have a 20-point stop. It's pretty big. Not sure if I want to trade for that big of a stop. Sorry, changed my mind. Don't want to take that big of a stop. Not even on a 1 lot. Not today. Okay, well, you guys can't see it, but we might get a band bounce. I think you guys know the band bounce trade. I got my finger on the join the bid button. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to take in my Apex account. My Apex account isn't up much. Let me try and build up my Apex account now. Again, spider. Okay, I see what it is. Oh, didn't give me a chance to enter. There we go. Does look like it wants to go higher. I'm long at 89. I think I'll take 10 points on a 3 lot. Come on. 60 bucks. Very good, very good. Let me just check my accounts. I'm starting to feel better, but 146, 146, 146, and 146. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we have a long entry. At 99, I don't know. Do I want to take it? How about I take it for a 1 lot if I can get a better price? Join the bid. Holy shit, we're much better. Okay, I'll take that. Now I'm only risking kind of like 7 points if I don't have slippage. Got my finger on the join the ask button. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. I'm up to 160. back. I missed the loser. Thank you. That was good timing. I think also, you know what? I didn't check, yeah. I got to check the volume, see what the volume is. Anybody have a, what is it, market analyzer? Because I'm using a 400 volume chart. I'm not using what Omnius uses, 2000. I prefer it to be faster, but right now I'm thinking that there's way too much volume. It made sense when we're trading 200,000 contracts only at 8 in the morning. But I don't think it makes sense if we're having high volume now. Properties, is that it? Add row, columns. Forgot what it's called, daily volume, right? Daily volume. I don't need the ask price or the bid price. Whoa, we're at 1 million. Yeah, there is a lot of volume. Okay, let's sit back and see what we got. Let's take stock. $24,900 is holding. Which is, like I said, 24,888, 12 points under. That was the pre-market high. What about the overnight high? Even if I go all the way back, oh no, for that, the overnight high is like 943. Yeah, somewhere around there. Let's just go with 950. So we got over the pre-market high, but not the overnight high. We got a long trade at 92. There's a good price. I'm not even order filled, even if we get stopped out, and it's already stopped out. There we go. That was a good price. Doesn't matter. 2 losers in a row. That was a really good price. I was fine letting that go, and I think I lost $6, to be honest with you. Can't complain about that. Okay, we got the, it's true, on the 5-minute chart, we got the 3 o'clock high, the overnight high showing. Well, I missed that trade. It is 50% to the next one at 900. Do we break 900 again? I don't know. We stopped once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. There's a lot of selling coming in, and I don't have my cumulative delta to the moon. Omnius, what's cumulative delta doing? Bama, cumulative delta? Anybody? I don't have it up. I'm gonna switch computers. Still kind of in the dark. I like that. Oh, I like that entry at 94. My hand wasn't on the mouse though. If my hand was on the mouse, wow, it's too bad the markets couldn't be like this all the time. There we go. It is a 50% probability we go back up from where I am here before a red bar forms. So I lost $6 before. Maybe I can make double, or maybe I lose a little bit. We'll see. It's only a 1 lot. I'm trading carefully now. I think I did good. 2, 3. Maybe we get pushed back up to No, I gotta get out. That one will have cost me. That one cost me more. All I see is your chart. Hey, you called me buddy. It's a first for everything. Well, that sucks. I just had a loser. I mean, I had a whole bunch of winners, but now I'm only up 136 on account. I like the 160. 160 in account, 4 accounts, 400, 612, that was 640. I was good with 640. Across 4 accounts. It's okay. Let's go back to Apex. Let's go back to Apex. If we get an entry. We did get back inside the pre-market range. We actually closed inside it also. And if this candle closes, I don't have a bar timer. Let's put on a bar timer. If this candle closes, that will be 2 candles closing inside. We got 7 seconds left. Yeah, that's 2 candles closing inside. So maybe we're going to start to head a little bit lower. Did I play a deal me in? I don't even know. I want to play one. See my fortune. It's like a fortune teller for me. Dealer 75, futures floor 81. Oh, he squeaks in with a 77. I don't know why you guys just don't do what I do. Okay, we're heading lower. Is that it? Does look like it on the 5-minute, right? I like the 400 volume chart. Gives me good entries. I'm up 218 on my Apex account. Let's see if the account thing works. I don't even know. I don't think so. I think I screwed it up. Let me see. Account. Yeah, no, it's not working. Okay. I will get it fixed. Whoa. Close position. Whoo, I don't even know what happened there. Okay, but I'm up 257 now. That was fast. Well, you know, this could be a day that just continues all day like this. I'm thinking, do I just sit here all day and trade? Look, ATR's up to 30 now again. We're dumping after we took out the pre-market highs. Well, first we took out the pre-market lows, then we took out the pre-market highs. I wonder if it has the same 1, 2, 3 pattern. Now we're at VWAP, sort of, a little under it. Same 1, 2, 3 pattern that London has with the Asia session. Definitely something to think about. That means we could be heading back down to 24,720. I'm surprised. I mean, I'm not surprised. I did say if we get over 24,900 and hold. We didn't hold. Okay, so we took a bit of a dump. Now we're going back up from 790 to 843. That was a 50-point move in a minute and a half. My next short entry might be right on VWAP. Oops. Okay, let me move it over. That's 2 bars. 2.5 bars, that's good. I started a new set of accounts. Okay, that's that trade. Let me go back to the 400 volume. Oh, 400 volume might get a short trade. I'll take that for a 1 lot. Right at VWAP. There you go. Order filled. Let's go. Dump off VWAP, dump off VWAP, dump off VWAP, dump off VWAP. Good enough. 44. Prop Deals Hub. How we doing? We're doing very good. We're green everywhere. We got 1 account on Apex up 218. We got 4 accounts in Bulenox up 257, and we have 4 accounts in Bulenox on copy trading up 44.28. I think you're the only one I haven't told my story to. I think it's a good long day today. I don't know. I'm just going with the flow. I'm just taking quick scalps. Let me see if I can get my... I mean, not let me see. I know I can get it. Give me a second here, guys. Just to figure out how to do it. I'm not even sure what I'm... Oh, what was that? Where is your bro? He's taking the day off. I think it's Thanksgiving's in Canada, eh? I think that's our holiday. I don't know what... I'm getting there, guys. I don't know if this gets bigger. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so look how great. There you go. Prop Deals Hub, PDH. Look how great the trade copier is in... I've told everyone. I've been singing it from the rooftops. But look how good the trade copier is in Platform X. I don't know if you have experience with it, but I did 4 accounts. I took a lot of trades for that $257. So 4 accounts up $257. And then I switched. That's 1 liter, 3 copiers. And then I switched to 1 liter, 3 copiers, and 44.20. I mean, it's to the penny. And it's not a trade copier. It's a trade result copier. So it's fantastic. You don't even have to check if your accounts are in sync or anything. Oh, let me see. Let's go back to orders. I love it. I haven't. I guess you have a couple different firms that could explain that. No, that's all Bulenox that you saw over there. It's a mix of master accounts. I copy masters. But no, the master's always the leader. I have a little... Can I take a 1 lot here? Bouncing off EWAP. Let's just try it, see if I can get filled. Push up to 826. We're that low? Am I on the wrong chart? We fall that much? There we go. Get out. 57. That's not weird. That's fantastic. I love it. It copies perfect. It's a trade result copier. It's not a trade copier. It doesn't enter... If the markets were slower, I would show you. It doesn't enter 4 positions, even though I'm copying to 3 accounts. It only enters 1 position. If I click on my positions tab, you'll only see 1 position in the leader account. And then whatever the leader account does, it copies the result over. That's why I love it. Top Step X does it also. And I had so much problems with the copier with Apex, you know, like being out of sync or it doing what? Yeah, putting me short when the leader went long. Yeah, that's great for me. And then they're going to say they're not going to pay me because you hedged. No, I didn't hedge. Your copier hedged me. So anyways, I don't have those problems anymore. I switched Bulenox over. I got a short trade here at 08, targeting 01. That's it. It hit it. I didn't get a chance to get in at a better price. I called it late anyways. Yeah. Finally, I moved over Bulenox. I'm trying wealth charts with Apex, but there's a delay, and I figured out what the delay is with wealth charts because I played with it on the weekend. Platform X, Ninja Trader, when you click your mouse, your left button, when you click down, the change occurs. So if I want to change my contracts and I click my button, as soon as I click down, the contract size changes. Wealth charts, you have to lift your finger off the mouse button. And then it still waits about a half a second to digest it. So that's terrible. I have an idea for you. I have a free account to give. We could do some collaboration with that. You could share it in your stream. Interested? Sure. Yes, I was just going to be... I'm talking to Earn to Trade, actually. I'm going to do an interview with the firm. I love Earn to Trade. I always thought they were one of the top firms. I put them up there with Top Step for, what's the word? Not reliability, but not authenticity. When it's a firm you can trust. Integrity, I guess. For me, the top 2 firms with the highest integrity, the most professionalism is Top Step and Earn to Trade. And I'd have an argument to give the award, the #1 award, to Earn to Trade, because they were always moving traders to live. They were always upfront about everything they did. They never did any scamming or anything. Oh, you're also with, so yeah, okay. So we should talk. You know what? Let me email you. we'll talk via email, or maybe later come into the Discord and we'll chat for 2 minutes. But yeah, I'm talking with them also. And I love that firm. I just don't deal with them. They're a little more on the more expensive side. I don't know, I think $67 for the 50K account. But the thing is, with that firm, and I don't have an affiliate link or a code for them. So I'm saying good things about them. Just, just guys giving you my opinion. And the thing that I love about their trader career path, it allows you to go up to $400,000. And I don't know if they changed the way it works. I'm going to have to look, but they used to, okay, let me give you an example. You start off with the 50K account. You get it to target, 3,000. They pay you the 3,000, and then they open you up a 150,000 account. And now your target is, let's say, 5,000. Just for example's sake, I don't know if it's 5,000, 6,000, 6,500, whatever it is. But when you get to your target, they pay it to you. And then they open you up a 150K account. If you get the target, they pay it to you. And then you get a 200K account, and then finally a 400K account. Now think about that. You get the target on a 50K account and you get the $3,000. With any other firm, you can't take out that $3,000 because it'll bring you at zero. Remember, the trailing drawdown goes to 50,100. So imagine taking out your $3,000, boom, close the account. Here they pay you. That's a huge advantage. I will send email to you. Don't have Discord yet. I will help you with the affiliate link, and I could do press release or I promote your stream. Log at 25, short up for pull, but long at 25. Hey, nice long. Yeah, we'll talk about it because, like I said, they're also going to give me some, and I'm not sure about the semantics or the, if they gave it to you, they may actually want you giving them out, So we should check with that. Don't want to aggravate anybody this early on. Nice move up. I don't have an opportunity to get in. Maybe a band bounce, but I don't think so. No, none. This is a strong move. And we're far away from me having an opportunity for a tight stop. There's only one trade I can take, and that's off this. Don't really see any divergence in the 5 minutes. Man, told you 10 minutes ago it's long. You did. I got a long entry here on the 400 volume, but I'm not going to take it. I'm kind of tired already. What time is it? Only 10:30. I took a lot of trades. I don't even know how many trades. I don't know if I could see that. No, don't see it. Anyways, more than 3. Let's put it that way. Oh, maybe I'll have an entry over here now. After that kind of pullback in the markets, I don't want to short a lot of short traps today. Yeah, you know what? I think it's hard to call today. I think it can go either way. I think that trap can close on the longs also, and then we could see continuation to the downside. Like I said in my title, it's Monday and it's October. I think that fact alone makes people nervous there. That right here, 65. Let me try and get in orders. Join the bid. 65. I'm long at 65 and a quarter. Come on, let's go a little bit higher. 72, 73, 74. I'm out. Very good. That was a quick 10 points. Needs to try a couple times. Yeah. Well, I was watching the 900 level, actually. I was thinking if we can get over 900 and hold, I would be bullish. We tried once. Failed. Now, are we trying again? Second time? Or will we fail again? That's the million-dollar question. Guys, if any of you haven't hit the like button yet, hit the like button. It would be appreciated. Everything's appreciated. Hitting the like button. Even more importantly, keeping me company on the stream. Oh, we got another potential entry over here. Let's see. It's going to be at around 60, 71. Let's see if I can get in it in the 60s. If I can get it, it's hanging at 71, 70, ooh, 60, not that good. I didn't get filled. Close. Close, I didn't get filled. Oh, there it goes. Oh, now I got an entry over there at 78. I'll take that at 72. There we go, 17. Are you kidding me? If you're going to give me $17 on a one lot, I'm going to take it. Come on, take me out, take me out, take me out, take me out. There we go. 88. Well, it's like taking candy from a baby. I think I'm like 95% accurate. I think I had 2 losers out of like 40 trades. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm getting like 10 points, 8 points, 7 points. Oh, let's go back to the accounts. That's what I wanted to do. So again, you guys can see how accurate it is. 8806, 8806, 8806, and on the bottom, the master account, 8806. Whew, 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 whew. You know what? I think at this point I have confidence. I don't think I'll have to check it anymore. I know I will still once or twice this week, but all right, I will send email to you. Where are your ideas? Your ideas are probably in your head, in your brain. And once you put them down on paper, they will be on the email. I'm not sure what you mean. PDH. So it's going to get hard to call you PDH. It's so in the brain. Hey, now that you're still here, let me just ask again, because it still is one of my favorite, I guess you can call it a meme. I'm still using this.
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Can I still use that, or it's like you want me to retire it? It's one of my favorite ones to play. If not my favorite one. Oh, got a trade here. Shit, 70. Got a trade at 70. Perfect. Thank you very much. You're the man. Hey, good thing I didn't take that trade. Missed another loser. You know, if you miss, even if you call it, if you miss a loser, it doesn't count. It is a funny short if you guys want to watch it. It's, where did I post it? Oh, I don't even know where it's posted. Oh, forget it. It's where I called the long 10 seconds before the market fell 150 points. Okay, well, we might be getting short trades again. I'm going to be a little bit more patient now. not going to try to get those $88 accounts up to 100. I don't play the balances anymore. That was always a mistake. What are we thinking here? What are we thinking here? We're thinking maybe a one lot for a short. But I'll add if it's red. It is. They didn't fill me on the ad. Forget it. Not giving them another chance. That was it. Yeah, didn't really do too good there, but it's taking too long. And this kind of volatility, it shouldn't take that long. When you got 25 points volatility on your 1 minute candles, I don't want to wait a minute because you never know when it could just fart the other way and cost you 20 points. 36.43. Shit, I have to take that. 40. If I can get in at 40. Shit, I had a chance at 43 if I would have had my first short. If I would have had my hand on the mouse. I know I just got out of a short, but oh, we're back there. See, took my hand off the mouse again. 40, 41. Come on, give me 40, 41, 42. 10 points. You guys do see the trade that I'm looking at, right? You guys do know that there's a 73% chance that a second bar forms, right? And we're targeting 29. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but it's holding here at 40. I'm going to try over here. Just for a little one. If it turns white, I'm out. Nah. Not feeling it. Yes, I'm playing my... You know what? I'm playing my my emotions, and I'm actually playing the balance, but in reverse. I'm not trying to get it up, but I'm just trying to protect it, which is also not a good thing. It means I'm not trading comfortably. Guess we can call that a loss. I don't know. I think it was at 94 or 93, and I'm still at 93. So let's go down to the bottom. Well, that short would have been good. Anyways, I'm still at 93.58 on those accounts. Yeah, see, that's what happens when you're a weekend. Email sent. Perfect. OFT is better. Okay, well then we're going to stick with OFT because it's better for me too. Not only is it better, I like it better. PDH. Kind of sounds like Patrick Whelan's thing. Isn't he PDB or PDH also? Or SDB or SDH? What's the name of his room? BDH. The Big Dick House. PDH. Well, that's close. Only fat dicks. OFT. Oh, okay. That's why my phone rang. That was you. Your email. Did you get that thing fixed with the CAPTCHA? because I tried again. Gotta say, about a week ago, maybe. It still wasn't working. Maybe 10 days ago. Anyways, I tried again. Still wasn't, still was doing the same thing. Getting the CAPTCHA error. Order, let me take one. Order filled. Come on, don't steal from me. Order filled, 103, beautiful. Got over 100. There is CAPTCHA anymore. You mean there isn't? There isn't a CAPTCHA anymore. Okay. No CAPTCHA yet. Okay, so I'll go on and I'll do the deed. Make a note. Because I forget. Well, actually, I won't forget. You sent me an email. Hey, Sparky. Think we may go for 650. Yes, I'm thinking it looks like we're heading lower now. We couldn't break above 900. We tried twice. But who knows? It might just be a seek and destroy day. They might just play with everybody. Take it lower. Website's almost done. Good job. Good job, good job, good job. Crack open a few beers after that. You deserve it. Anyways, I'll definitely give it mentions when it's fully done. I'll put up a little Nightbot thing. We're going down with a little bit of momentum here, eh? But we just did take out the 1020, 1023 lows. Or just reached them. And that is where we headed higher on the 1 minute. So, I'm not going to take a short over here. Actually, we did it twice in this area. So, let's see if we can get under 24,775 or if we bounce. Did you code indicators? I do code indicators. I do it on NinjaTrader, but now that I'm mostly with Project X, that's it. It's finished. But I'll always keep NinjaTrader somehow, some way with somebody. Because not only do I code indicators, but I also code some strategies, some bots, you know, and I like to see them run, and I like to forward test them. There's a little bit of a short here. Short at 802. I'm not gonna take it. See, I don't wanna lose. That's terrible. There's your 10 points. We're at 92 already. That was another $20 on a one lot. Don't laugh. The $20 they add up. They add up. $20, $30, $40 here and there. Look what I've been able to do so far. That's might need some help. Sure, if I can help you, I'll help you. Those $20, $30, $40, it adds up. Those are good numbers, especially like they said, like Apex always says, once you trade copying, it's fantastic, those little hits. Only thing is, you needed a reliable trade copier, and finally I have one. That was a nice move down. Actually, from 822, 776, 50 points. Not that I would ever catch 50 points, you know that. Not claiming that I would have. Not claiming that I could have. Okay. Well, on the 5-minute, you can see we broke below those two levels there, the 791, the 788. But now we see we pushed off so many levels. We pushed off over here. I'm kind of feeling nervous to take a trade. However, thought that you had one trade and there was so big slippage between accounts. No. I switched. I'm copy trading 1 leader, 3 followers. Let me put it back up again. So 1 leader, 3 followers. That's the 257, 257, 257. Those are the 3 followers. 1 leader, 257 on the bottom. And then on the bottom, 1 leader, 103.84. I switched. And 3 followers, 103.84. It's perfect. It's perfect. To the penny. Well, so far on the daily, obviously, given yesterday's range, Friday's range, and the fact that we closed near the low, and then we gapped up like hundreds of points. The daily is forming an inside day. Just long and thank me later. I can't do that. You know that. Right now, I got shorts for the time being. Besides, I can't hold. I don't know where to put a stop. And even if I did, it's probably very far away. I want to say, just I told you so. And if you're wrong, what do you say? Shit, I gotta get you that video where I swear it's funny. I made 4 calls. Let's see if I can pop it up. It's on another account. Do I know how to do this? Can't be that difficult, right? Hey, someone stole my name. Oh, be quiet. Where's mine? Oh, that's why. There we go. I found it. Here you go. This is what you get when you call. This is what I got when I called the market. I think it flushes, and then we see if it's really bullish today. Yeah. Let's see what happens at the 725 again if we bounce. If we bounce, where's the pre-market? 1 minute pre-market level is 729. Hey, while you're at it, go. Not only that, go subscribe to that channel. I'm going to be changing the name of that channel. It's going to become Futures Floor at Night. I'm going to use that channel for my nighttime streams. I'm just starting it up. That's why it's showing a okay, Sparky, more cookies. That's why it's showing that video. That's why it's relevant if you're confused. Yeah, second channel. My channel is corrupted. My metadata is in Swahili. My ID mapping goes to another channel called Kajal Biography, and they're unable to fix it. So I think this channel is always going to be saddled with problems. You know, they're kind of intermittent problems. They take away my my eligibility for advanced features, and then it's hanging and pending for like last time was 3 months. They couldn't fix it. Oh, yeah, it's to a video. The link. Oh no, it's just to the shorts page. Okay, it's not to the video. It's just to the shorts page. But there you go. And then you just click on the video. So I'll run them both. I just want to see, I mean, I don't mind having two channels anyways. I like separating the day from the night, so futures floor at night makes sense. And I want to see the difference on how they serve me up in the feed and stuff. If there's going to be a difference, that one's going to be very focused. I think, like I said, this channel here is corrupted on so many levels. Really? Yeah. It's my Einstein look. Einstein. Let me go look again. Yeah, that's not, I see, that's not an old man. That's no good. I'll have to fix that. Well, that's going to get fixed. Okay, let's see what we can do. What else do we got? Should I trade another Apex account maybe? We're going to get a short. Got a short at 52. I'm in at 57. 5 points better. Well, you can't complain with that, eh? 30 bucks. 52. Let's go down to 45. 47. I'll take a piece off. I'll take a piece off. Hey, 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 don't go back up. Be nice. Be nice. No, I don't want to lose. Oh, you're such a bugger. That wasn't nice. Long, long. Yeah, maybe. Look at that area there at the 750. I think you may be right. Can we push up to 80? Need to stay long. Well, you don't have to stay long. You can still say, I told you so. I won't even know if you were long. Let's get up to 80. Come on, 75. $77, that was close. Didn't have time to react. 76, 75, 76, 77. Let me see 78. Wrong way again. We're stalling out here. I don't like it. Bugger. Bugger. Really? All right. right, I'm done for trading. I'm making sure it was everything that I needed. See ya. Look at the email and let me know what you think. Yes, I will. We got some workers here, so give me some time. Based on the time difference, you'll probably go to sleep because I'll probably look at it in the afternoon around after the markets close at 4. I got to go up. I got to leave already, actually. So if I look at it between 4 and 6, you'll have your head on the pillow. I'm guessing. Yeah, okay. $7.50. Are we able to crack it lower? Can we get down to 7.45? Got a couple of candles there that are holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7th candle on the 1 minute. If we expand it, F6. Oh, it's not F6. It's a different platform. There's no F6. Horizontal line, Alt H. I should learn that. There we go. Horizontal line. It's holding. Anyways, it's not a line I want up there. I just put it up there for you to see what I'm looking at. Volume is 1.3 million. That's exceptionally high compared to what we've been having. $66. Can we get up to 73? There we go. We got up to 73. I think I'm going to try one more trade based on the 400 volume chart. I am long at 68.50. A 3 lot. We'll see if we can hold here at 60. Oh, it's not looking good. I need a bullish candle. Give me that bullish candle. $60, $61, $62, close, whatever it is. We're tightening it up, eh? Yes, we are. I didn't even look at the ATR, but we are tightening up. Look at the ATR here, eh? Looks about 18. We're starting to get into low volatility world again. I mean, geez, if we get to 11, 12, that would be crazy. Okay. I'm going to try it again. My 3 lot. Let's go. Come on. You're going to get me twice on a 1. Give me a bullish candle. There we go. Bullish candle. Push it. Push. There's no way you're going to give me 3 ones in a row. This is going to make a little bit of a push. Oof. My fill is bad. I didn't know my fill was that bad. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to hurt myself if I continue this. And there's a lot of wicks there at 68. Let me just take whatever I can get. And that's it for me. That's it for me. I'm going to call it quits here. I didn't really do much. Too bad there it went a little bit. I'm going to call it quits. So Apex plus 214. These guys I didn't do any more with, so they ended up at that amount. We're very good over there. All good. All's good that ends well. I think almost a $2,000 day combined. So I can't complain with that. Even though I traded poorly, my accounts never went into drawdown. I protected, made sure I took small losses. That's the key. Especially in this kind of volatility. Take a small loss, then you hit it right, and boom! You just made up 4 of your small losses, even though I didn't get 4 small losses in a row. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm going to stream tonight at 8 o'clock. I think I'm going to come on. Still on Futures Floor. I haven't migrated the channel over yet. And that's about it. If you're new to the channel and you're lurking, hit the subscribe button. It's always appreciated. Helps grow the channel. And if I don't see you tonight in the evening stream, then I will be here again tomorrow morning. I think Omnius will be back on the mic, and I should be streaming 9:15 or earlier. That's usually when I try to get on, so that's when I schedule to come online. See you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. Take care.